This is Nubia Red Magic 7S, and today we will show how you can add numbers to the keyboard on this device. So first of all, let's just go ahead and launch the keyboard. That's how it looks without the separate number line. From here, you gotta open the Gboard keyboard settings. The quickest and easiest way to do that is by tapping on this cog icon over here. Then once at the Gboard preferences page, enter the preferences category itself. And all that it's left to do is to switch on this number row toggle, and once we get back to the keyboard, we'll see that the separate number row on top of the characters at the keyboard of this device has been successfully activated. Alrighty, so that will be it for this video. Thank you so much for watching, and bye bye.